All right, let's take a look at what JavaScript actually is. What is JavaScript? Now, JavaScript is actually the only real programming language used in front-end web development. So when you're making a website, such as CodePen, like what you see in front of us, this is all front-end stuff. We see HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We can't see the Python, we can't see PHP, we can't see Java, we can't see C, we can't see any of these other programming languages. We can only see HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And out of those three, JavaScript is the only real programming language. Now, one of the reasons that JavaScript is so dang popular these days is because, again, your browser only supports these three markups and languages, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are absolutely no other programming languages available for front-end web development. They just don't exist. If you want a programming language for your website, you have to use JavaScript. That is why it is so popular. It's the only option. Now, what really is JavaScript? JavaScript is anytime you click something, something else happens. So let's just go ahead and close that. When I click this, we can see that this little menu pops up. Or when I click change view, we can see this little menu pops up, fades in, fades out. Same thing over here. We can see all these different things. That is all JavaScript. It's interactivity. It's when I click and I drag like this. That is JavaScript. This is JavaScript. It even says CSS. That's where I'm supposed to write my CSS. But it is actually JavaScript that allows me to do this on the page. Same thing with the console. Same thing with toggling the console on and off or doing this. That is JavaScript that allows me to drag and drop things. It allows me to have that level of interactivity. So anytime you click something and the page changes, or you type somewhere, or you drag and drop, that's JavaScript. Think about it this way. Anytime something happens automatically, or automagically, as I like to call it, that's JavaScript at play. For the most part, that's going to be JavaScript. There are the odd cases where it's a hack done with CSS, but honestly, 99.9% of the time, all interactivity is done with JavaScript. So when someone asks you, hey, what is JavaScript? You can say JavaScript is what makes your site interactive and makes your website feel like an app. Next up, let's talk about text editors. If you don't have one, we're going to get started with one right away.